now water celebrity barman, Pascal Okechukwu aka Cubana chief, who displayed words of dollars on Tuesday at the carnival-like wedding ceremony of Davido and Chioma Chivido, has been set free by a federal high court sitting in Lagos State after he agreed with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, to pay the sum of 10 million naira as out-of-court settlement for spraying Nigerian naira notes. EFCC in a statement said the court acted in line with the law establishing EFCC in the year 2004. Same offense, well-known cross-dresser, Idris Okuneye aka Bobrisky was convicted and sentenced to 6 months imprisonment with no option of fine. Bobrisky is currently serving his jail term at Nigeria Prison or Correctional Center in Lagos State since April 2024. EFCC in a statement issued on Tuesday defended its action and supported the action of the court on the ground that Cubana ChiefPriest agreed to pay 10 million naira, an amount the commission said it's far more higher than the stipulated penalty fee of 50,000 naira if the celebrity barman was convicted and given an option of fine. Consequent on the judgment of Justice Kehinde Ogunda of the Federal High Court sitting in Lagos on the terms of settlement of the 3-count charges bordering on abuse of naira notes preferred against Okechukwu Pascal, alias Cubana ChiefPriest, by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, it is needful to emphasize that the Commission acted in line with Section 14(2) of its Establishment Act, 2004. This section of the EFCC's Establishment Act empowers the Commission to compound any offense, subject to provisions of Section 174 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria by accepting such sum of money as it deems fit exceeding the maximum amount by which the offender would have been liable if he had been convicted. To this end, the 10 million naira the court fined Cubana ChiefPriest for exceeded the 50,000 naira his offense carries. This is in response to the application made to the EFCC by counsel to the defendant, Ojukwu, San, seeking the compounding of the offenses under Section 14(2) of the EFCC Act. Additionally, Cubana ChiefPriest would henceforth lead rigorous and intensive sensitization or campaign against abuse of coins and notes issued under the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) Act. The court also ruled that the defendant shall by monthly post on his various social media handles a minimum of 2 video clips of his sensitization campaign against abuse of naira and sundry offenses. All of these are strict deterrents meant to separate Cubana ChiefPriest from future desecration of the naira. The Special Task Force against naira abuse and dollarization of the economy is still in place. The Commission remains undeterred in the pursuit of its lawful mandate, and the court's ruling on Cubana ChiefPriest should stimulate enhanced commitment of Nigerians to defend the sanctity of the naira and refrain from any infraction against the nation's legal tender. EFCC statement ends in quote. We had earlier reported that the lawyer to the popular celebrity barman, Pascal Okechukwu aka Cubana ChiefPriest, has informed the Federal High Court sitting in Lagos State of Nigeria of the plan of the socialite to enter plea bargain with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, over his trial at the court as a result of him spraying naira notes which the EFCC accused him of abusing and mutilating the currency. Cubana ChiefPriest's lawyer had made this known at the court sitting, according to the news release made available by the Public Relations Department of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. Justice Kehinde Ogunda of the Federal High Court sitting in Ikoyi, Lagos, on Thursday, May 2, 2024, adjourned further hearing in the trial of Pascal Okechukwu, aka Cubana ChiefPriest, till June 5, 2024. Okechukwu was arraigned on Wednesday, April 17, 2024 by the EFCC on a 3-count charge bordering on abuse of the naira. One of the counts reads, that you, Okechukwu Pascal, on the 13th of February 2024, at Eko Hotel, Victoria Island, Lagos, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, while dancing during a social event, tampered with funds in the denomination of 500 naira issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria by spraying, thereby committed an offense contrary to and punishable under Section 21(1) of the Central Bank Act, 2007. Another count reads, that you, Okechukwu Pascal, sometime in 2020, in Lagos, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, during a social event tampered with funds in the denomination of 500 naira issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria by spraying same for 2 hours, and you thereby committed an offense contrary to and punishable under Section 21(1) of the Central Bank Act, 2007. At the resumed sitting of the court on Thursday, Okechukwu, through his lawyer, Ojukwu, San, told the court about a plan of his client to enter a plea bargain with the EFCC. Ojukwu also sought to withdraw his earlier preliminary objection filed on April 24, 2024, challenging the jurisdiction of the court to entertain the charge. In the interest of justice, we are urging the court to strike out the motion because the prosecution has not responded to it, he said. The prosecution counsel did not oppose the withdrawal of the application. Consequently, Justice Ogunda struck out the application, having been withdrawn by the defense, and also adjourned the case till June 5, 2024. EFCC news release reads in quote.
OsazuwaAkonedo, bringing you the news in a more digital way.